trying to diss now too, huh? Well, I ain't prejudiced, I don't give a fuck. This is what it sounds like. We ride on our enemies. Biatch. We ride on our enemies. Hey, got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Let my little cousin K roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas. Used to love niggas, now I plug niggas. It's slug niggas and my wrong niggas making songs trying to get with us. Must be gone all the stress, we in the west we trust. To the chest I bust, then we ride to the sun come shining back to brighten up the sky. I mean he died, heard the Fuji was trying to do me. Look bitch, I cut your face, this ain't no motherfucking movie. Then we watch the other two die slow, castrated, entertaining at my motherfucking sideshow. Bam, set my plan in mode. Time to exterminate my foes. I can't stand you hoes. Now label this my fucking trick shot. My lyrics running all you cowards out of hip hop. When we ride on our enemies. When we ride on our enemies. I bet you motherfuckers die when we ride on our enemies. Ride on our enemies. Bet all you motherfuckers die when we ride on our enemies.
Ride on our enemies and blast on sight. Gunfight tonight, ignite the night, no lie. Like 4th of July, exploding sparks in the sky. Kaboom, welcome your doom, play your haters assume. Retaliation, assassination, play your Haitian, broken conversation. The bitch issue stitches and riches and catching cases. I'm a real McCoy, you're barely starting the game. I shoot precise, my aim, blood scatter the brain. Know the sound of the gauge, what it do, what it sound like. Bum, 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 bum. Who got the bass down the block? Fully shot, fully locked. Blowing bass up the block, assassin Tupac, we hot. Going back like you're shocking, G'd out your block and digitize your knot. The underground, the Glock, we get around, don't stop. Baby holding my Glock, she said she wanted a shot to bust for me in the pot. Now that's a down ass bitch. When we ride on the enemies, what it sound like.
When we ride on our enemies.
Yeah, let them know, Poe Nitty Machiavelli.
I bet you motherfuckers die when we ride on our enemies.
Baby, this is what it sound like.
We ride on our enemies.
Real bad boys.
Bet all you motherfuckers die when we ride on our enemies. Take a journey through my mind's eye. You cross the game, don't explain, nigga, time to die. Say goodbye, watch my eyes when I pull the trigger. So right before you die, you bow before a bigger nigga. Now dry your eyes, you was heartless on your hits. Niggas love to scream peace after they start some shit. Pay attention, here's a word to those that rob me. I murder you, then I run a train on Mob Deep. Don't fuck with me, nigga, you barely living. Don't you got sickle cell? See me have a siege on stage, you ain't feeling well. Hell, how many niggas wanna be involved? See, I was only talking to Biggie, but I'll kill all of y'all, then ball. Then tell the brat to keep her mouth closed. Fuck around and get tossed up by the fucking outlaws. Before I leave, make sure everybody heard. No, I meant every motherfucking word when we ride on our enemies. When we ride on our enemies.